Sir, it was a very informative, very educative session. I have no experience in this mode, so I am feeling quite confident to use it in the session whenever I get these issues, and I feel happy about it. It was very well organized, very well, very well structured. The notes that you gave and systematic. So that makes me more, there's good clarity. So unless I work on it, I will not be able to actually. I do feel very good about it, very confident, but then at least I would like to work at least with one client with sleep issues. And of course, I would like to do more of these modules, which I will definitely would be, participating in future.
Perfect. Thank you.
So I've been dealing with sleep issue clients a lot and have managed well also. But now this gives me a crisp roadmap to work upon. Okay. I'm using the other technique which I've learned from you any day. So, but this will give a crisp and short and crisp platform for the dealing with the client. I really love the insight of using 2 pillows. That was awesome. And this 1-2-1-2 is also very nice. Thank you.
As always, very happy with the course, feeling a sense of satisfaction, one day well spent in learning. And I really hope I'm able to help people out, because I strongly feel, I'm sure you would also agree to it, that there are a lot of sleep issues with people these days and resulting in other issues then. So I really hope, fingers crossed, that I'm able to help people out with it.
Perfect. Brilliant.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I would like to go next. Thank you, Nitin. It was a very nice presentation, very systematic, clear, crisp. And I love the simple, doable techniques like the breathe 1 and 2, and even the visualization, like the road and the beach, and even the dream analysis. So very simple, sweet, doable things and put up in a very systematic, organized way. So thank you very much. And I just can't remember when the previous lady shared the 2 pillow thing. What was the 2 pillow thing?
That you sleep when you're sleeping, if you're living in a house which is really small.
Yeah, got it. Yeah. So very, very simple, nice, small tricks you have given. So thank you so much. And I'm excited because I have 3 clients who have sleep issues. And so I'm really excited to do this with them.
So good. Hopefully they will all sleep well.
Thank you. I'll message you.
Perfect. Thank you.
Sir, could you share your cell number, please?
Maushmi, aap kuch bol rahe
the? Okay. So yes, Nitin.
198 929.
Hello.
9.
हाँ, बोलिए.
Okay, so as always with you, it's very systematic and very easy to understand everything, like every technique you give, very easy to understand. So I'm really hopeful, and I really know that when I will practice it, definitely it will give me a lots of really success in inducing sleeping clients. So thank you, Nitin. Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you. Kavita ji, you were saying.
Yeah. So I really liked, this is my first workshop and I've been wanting to do this, any of the workshop with you all since a long time, but I really liked it. And the best thing is that I like the tools and the techniques that you give, and it's so simple to use. Often when you see sleep, issue, you make it a big thing, but as you said, the simple solution can also lead to many more, it can solve other major problem also, as a stress or something like that, which is is a trigger point for sleep, and it's like a vicious cycle, so I think this is a very good, I really liked it and enjoyed, and probably looking forward for more workshop doing with you. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
The more and more I learn from you, the more and more I see how things are so interconnected and interrelated. And it's always fun to see something from anxiety counseling coming here, or see something from relationship counseling coming here, and how the situation and the outcome and when then plays a very, very integrated part alongside a mindfulness technique. Apart from the first one, this classroom, apart from that, everything was online, which really is eye-opening, that you can work on clients on an online platform and an online setup without it being a hindrance anymore. It's fun, especially sleep. It's fun because a lot of people around say anything and everything has to do with sleep. I can't sleep. I can't sleep. You hear that so often these days. So let me see how this is going to work around my friends, basically.
Perfect.
Me, sir.
Yes, Simran.
This is my first workshop. I like it very much because it's very interesting. The most interesting part of the workshop is breakout room activities. That is very interesting. It also makes fun of the workshop, makes fun throughout the workshop, because many times some workshops become very boring because they are like we are listening some lectures something, but I don't think this workshop looks like a lecture, so it's very interesting and very helpful. So thank you, sir.
Thank you. Probably this is still one workshop where I have had the maximum to talk. In most of the workshops, there are even more activities, and our involvement as facilitators are even less. Probably the more involvement is more in terms of demo and so on. So this is one of the ones where I am talking more. All right.
I really liked the workshop, and the best part about all these workshops I feel is that more than providing a tool to help the client, during the process of learning, you get so much insight about the things going on in your life pertaining to the problems of the workshop, or the area of the workshop. And like when you finally put when then into that table format, I realized that I have been using that when then format about the trigger and the new thoughts for my Instagram usage. And once you put it in the format, I realized that I've been doing that since the past year, not even realizing that I've been using that format, in that exact format for doing it. So it definitely felt very good. And I have been waiting the entire workshop to ask one question from you, not related to this. That's why I've been waiting. So I am waiting for you to say when this is over and I can finally have that question out.